What's up, guys? Welcome back with another video. In this video I'm going to talk about when we should go trout fishing in late spring. So in central New York, I like to go trout fishing in late spring. The water tends to drop, water levels lower, and the big fish kind of hide a little bit, so it gets a little bit tougher. But whenever we get a nice downpour, or like after a rainstorm, especially after a rainstorm, that's when I like to get out, or during a rainstorm. Either way, I've had good luck in both, but that's when it seems the big boys come out to play. And in this video, I'm going to show you some of my recent clips this late spring of what I found. So make sure you subscribe and you'll have to see what I caught. Let's get to it.
That's a big one. I was talking and then that came out. He might be 20. He's big. Maybe we'll go up a little further, Nate. Yeah, he's a good one. He's 22, 23. Trying to land him. Man, he's feisty. That's nice. Do you see him come up? Oh man, you were feisty. That is a nice fish. Look at the colors of him. Oh, okay. Alright, we're just gonna add him. Get in the net. There we go. Man, that is a nice fish, guys. Yeah, he's every bit of 23. He might be 24. We're gonna get a measurement on him though. Go. Alright guys, pull out absolute nice 22 and a half, 23-inch female. Beautiful fish. We're gonna get a release on her. Gorgeous. Man, this water's cold. I don't know, we're gonna probably the biggest fish ever in this creek. Okay. Yeah, it's a big one, guys. Yeah, it's a big one. Holy shit. Yeah, it's a good one, guys. Oh man. Man. Oh yeah, guys. That's a big fish. Whoa, look at the colors on that. He looks sick. I don't know, he's gotta be 23. Get him unhooked, measured him, and get a release video. Alright guys, just put on a nice 23-inch male. I love the coloring on him. Get some sick spots, nice yellow belly. I'm gonna let him go. See if I can, without holding him. Oh, there's that big boy. There he goes. That was a nice fish. Oh. See? It's a nice one. There's gonna be one up there. Nice looking brown. Oh, he's not that big. I thought he was bigger at first. Look at the colors on him though. Just gonna land them. Pretty. Oh yeah, guys, look at the colors on that fish. Some nice red spots. Looks like a male. Probably about 15 and a half. We're gonna get him unhooked. Alright guys, we're gonna get this fish released. Nice 16-inch brown. Gorgeous red spots. Looks like he's a male. Such a beautiful fish. Here he goes. Let's get some more. Jesus, I got lit up. fish hit like a tank. He's not even that big. He hit it so hard. But he hit it so hard. And these fish hit good. He's about the size of the other one I just caught. Look at that, guys. They're gorgeous wild browns. Another male. Alright, we're gonna net them. Alright, there we go. Another 16, 17 incher. Let's get him on hook. Guys, we just pulled out another beautiful brown. He's about 16 and a half, 17. Absolute gorgeous red spots. Let's get a nice release on it. Looks like it's another male, second male in this area. Whenever you're ready, bud. Be a good one. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, I love catching fish that good looking. Let's get some more, guys.
There's a giant.
Really? What are you doing? You're not going to cast for him?
He just missed it.
Did he hit it?
Yeah, he hit it a little bit.
Keep it up. There's snags.
Yeah.
Should come back if he didn't hit it.
Come on. Oh my god.
Keep casting. I thought I might have missed one down here too.
A fucking cord.
Oh, he spit the hook. Damn it.
Fucking cord.
I lost it, bud. No, man, that was a cool jump. Oh, he spit the hook. Yeah, bend those knees. You're not old. Yeah, we got a big one. You fucking serious, man? Here, come off. 3 fish I've lost? That's some bullshit. Fucking 20 inches you're gonna lose? Didn't think it was coming off. I would have fucking ran in the net on. Just caught 2 fish, fine, no problem. All of a sudden, now we see some, oh, there it goes. Seen one. I just lost this fish, guys. He came back. Holy shit. Look at the colors on him. Dude, this is the same fish I just lost. He's gorgeous too. Oh my god, look at the colors. Oh, I've never caught this fish before, actually. I thought I did. Holy shit, this is a new fish. I'm sorry for the swearing, but I've just lost this fish. I literally threw a fit. That was the same fish, right? Alright guys, insane catch. I literally hooked this fish, lost him, and I threw a fit because I was pissed. It would have been my third 20-incher in the stretch I lost. Yeah. And then he came back. It was the same fish because I saw the orange on it. I mean, this is such a beautiful brown. 21-inch brown, male.
Let's see.
Are you closer? We're gonna get a release on him. Get this bad boy back. I mean, I just hooked him, and then like 5 casts later, I caught him. He came back and hit it. I mean, look at the spots on him.
Yeah.
It's insane. That's why I love trout fishing. on the Vive. There he goes.